Okay, so the door, and then first there's a bathroom on the right, which has just that, and wash area, and the mirror. So cute. I love my OOTD. I rarely wear white, and yeah, this is so cute. Love it. Anyway, proceed to the living area. There's a dining here. Sorry for our mess, but yeah, a sofa, table, and this, and our view here is city view. Excuse the dirty window, but yeah, look at that. Very nice. And down here, the street, and there's a basketball court, my gosh, and play area. I think, I don't know where's the swimming pool, but yeah, I think this is worth it. This is huge already compared to the hotel. It's only 25 square meter. First, here in the left is a small room, I think for if you have a nanny or, you know, extra visitor or something, but it's just small. And here there's a kitchen, small one. It's complete though. There's a fridge, there's a sink here, washing machine, stove, cabinets. I don't know, maybe this is a dishwasher. And yeah, microwave and all that stuff. And this is empty. There's no complimentary stuff. But I brought some though. I brought a lot, you know. And let's proceed to the right side, I mean. There's one room here and another room here. By the way, this one I forgot to show you. There's a cabinet and a bathroom of its own. She's super nice. I'm really proud of myself for booking this because it's not expensive. Not that expensive. And there's a bathroom. Let me check. There's a bathtub as well. And the kids will stay here. You will sleep here.
Yeah.
This is the first room. It's similar to the master's.
You can put our books here.
You can put their books there.
And
the luggage.
Me?
Yeah, that is so cute.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, there's complimentary water. There's a huge cabinet. And same view from the living room area. So yeah, that's it. And then the second room has a bathroom as well, and bathtub, toilet, mirror. Yeah. And same. Just the frame is different, but overall it's the same size as well. And there's this cute vanity. Hi, love it. It's white too, and same view. Love it.